Come to Uncle Whacko's bake shop, where the fun just never stops. All around there's apple pies, it just brings a tear to my eye. A hardened criminal just turned good. Instead of guns, he's baking food. These years in jail, it must have been. He's making these cookies in a tin. Old tuna sandwiches with ribeye steak. Watch as he throws in the bread to bake.
Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings. Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings.
Was a big drug dealer years ago. Now he's a Besser Bakesman Pro. Christmas cookies and gingerbread man. He would make $1 million if he can. Old man Willows agrees with me. Since the day in jail, he's been merrily melancholy and full of joy. Bakes these cookies for girls and boys. Made one for Timmy with his name engraved. 3 years ago, he would have made him his slave.
Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings. Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings.
Now it's no wonder what's in his mix. Icing and sprinkles to give it kicks. I remember that one time he chopped with the men. Well, what was counting? About 10. Cut off their legs and cut off their arms. Scattered them throughout their farms. But enough about that, it was years ago. He would never do that, don't you know? He agreed to live a life not like the old, so the warden let him hit the road.
Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings.
Hey there, kids, come down to Whacko's bake shop. I'll make you a nice cookie.
Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings.
Now, isn't that good? I made that especially for you. Yeah.
Come to Uncle Whacko's shop, Uncle Whacko's fresh bake shop. He'll make you many things: bagels, cookies, donut rings.
Now as I let this come to a close, there is still one thing you should know. He never lets anyone in the back. Every now and then he brings out a sack. He says it's grain for the bread, but it sure smells like Farmer Fred. No one knows what's in the bag. It might sound like I'm a nag, but I saw him bring someone back there once and never saw him again. He could be lunch.